What's up, YouTubers? Tyler Horvath here, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to make almost $7,000 in one single month with affiliate marketing. So, first things first, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and like this video, and make sure you watch to the very end because I have a really important bonus tip at the end of the video that will really help you generate more sales and more commission with affiliate marketing. So, let's get started and head to the computer. So I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to generate this much revenue income with Max Bounty. So Max Bounty is an affiliate network where you can create an account for free and you can market or promote different products, services, offers, all on this platform. So signing up is really easy. Just go to an affiliate and then click become an affiliate, and you'll sign up with all this information here. And then once you sign in, you'll be on this dashboard here where you can look for your offers. So there are a few different ways to get paid with Max Bounty. You can get paid per lead, or some of them are percentage of the sale. The way that we are going to be doing it this time, you don't want to do the percentage of the sale. You want a flat rate because we want to know exactly how much we're going to get per sale. So that way we can, find an optimal Google Ads keyword that converts at lower than that lead price. So basically what we're going to do is we are going to find an offer here that we could potentially create a Google ad for, and we are going to simply send people to a landing page from the Google ad, and then we're going to send that landing page to our actual affiliate link. So pretty easy. You don't even need a website, but you will need Unbounce, which I'll go over in a little bit. But first, let's get a little deeper into Max Bounty. So at the top here, you have all of your earnings. So here is this month, July 1st to July 31st. You can see I made 6,831, and that was from a few different affiliates. So I will show you exactly how I was able to generate this much income in this 1 month with just using Google Ads. Let's first look at how to find a good offer. So that's a really important factor with affiliate marketing like this. You want to find a good offer that's in the right price range, that has a good amount of traffic to its keywords that we can add Google Ads for and promote them. So these ones that are $275 per lead, those aren't going to work because Google Ads, the average price you're going to be paying per click is $1-2. So you need something around the $50 range, or even higher than that's better. So let's find a offer here that will pay us out good. So a lot of the keto diet stuff is really high paying. Also some of these supplements, those pay really well. But you're going to find a lot of competition in Google Ads, so you're going to be paying a lot per click. But we're going to look at how to find ones that have a low CPC that we can bid on and get a number of clicks pushed through to that affiliate link and hopefully get some orders. So sometimes it's good to just use the list view. This way you can see like the EPC and the CPA rate and all that right there. So let's look at one. So here's one that's 96. So this one's good. It has $96 per lead and a 50-cent EPC. So EPC is earnings per click. That is the average revenue that you get per click for all of the people that you send to this affiliate, or all the people that are sending traffic to this affiliate. On average, they're getting 50 cents per every user they send to this affiliate. So let's check out this page. So they'll tell you the allowed type of traffic. So you want to make sure that search is allowed. Some of them don't allow search. So since we're using Google Ads to promote these, we will definitely want this allowed traffic type to be search. And then we're going to be getting $96 per lead. So every person that fills out the application on this page and goes through this process here, we will get $96. So pretty awesome. If you can just sell one a day you're making a really good passive monthly income. So let's look at how to promote this offer. So first, we're going to have to build a landing page. So I use Unbounce. It's really great for building landing pages. I've been using it for a couple years now, and I can build landing pages within minutes that are really highly converting and provide some really great leads. So the pricing for Unbounce, it starts at $80, but it can go up to like $400. So I'll put a link below if you want to get a free trial to check it out. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to log in and create a new landing page. Now they have a ton of templates that you can use to create a landing page. So we're just going to look at click-through because we're just going to be having people land on this page and then having them click through to the affiliate site. So we're doing a personal loan. So let's look at some of these templates here. And you can always change them and customize them. It's really easy to do. So let's just start with this one. It's pretty simple. I mean, it is called simple. So, and then let's click start with this template. And now we're going to have to edit it to match the landing page of our offer here. So, they don't really have a great logo, but, we can save that logo and then save this background image here. And, we could even use these three things to add to our landing page. So you can basically just copy, their content and add it to your landing page. This isn't going to be ranking for SEO or anything like that. So, add the logo instead of this one, and then customize the call to action. It's a really important part about your landing page is customizing these call to actions and making them really optimized so that they convert really well. So let's change this to get a personal loan up to 50,000, and then we'll say apply below for free and see if you qualify. Something like that. And then our call to action will go to our affiliate page URL, but we don't need to add anything right here yet because we're not going to be technically sending them straight through the affiliate link. We're going to be tracking that affiliate link so that we can see conversions and see those conversions in Google Ads so that we know exactly which keywords are providing the conversions and how much we're spending on those conversions or how much we're spending on those ads to get those conversions. So once your page is done, you're going to click save. And now you need to either add a domain so that it is on a certain URL, like a subdomain like go.yourwebsite.com, or you can simply use Unbounce's URLs. They'll have a public URL for you, so you can click change URL and go down to Unbounce, and then you're going to have to add a custom URL because if there's one that's taken already, you won't be able to use it since multiple people are going to be using these URLs since it's all on the public domain. So let's call this one personal loans to go. That might be taken. Nope. And then now you can see that our landing page URL is unbouncepages.com/personal loans to go. So let's click publish and publish that page. And now we already have a landing page that we can use in Google Ads to send the traffic to and send them to our affiliate link. So let's check out the page. So you got that and the call to action, and then obviously you'd want to update all of this with actual information. You can basically pull it from the affiliate product site. It's all on there, and you can just simply use that stuff. And so once you have your Unbounce URL, you can start advertising in Google Ads. So go to ads.google.com and create an account. And then you'll be brought to this page where you can create a campaign. So let's just go to new campaign. And you don't really need to do any goal guidance yet here. Eventually, we're going to be doing conversions, but first we need to send some traffic and see what converts and get some conversion data so that Google's algorithm can kind of take care of the rest. So let's just do search for now and then continue. And all of this can be changed later, so if you want to go back and edit settings, that's fine. You can always do that at any time. So now we have to create our campaign, so let's just call it personal loans. And the search and display is fine for now, United States. So you want to make sure that the country that you're targeting is allowed. So it will show you right here on this page, on the detail page of the affiliate offer, what countries are allowed. So United States is the only one allowed, so that is the only country that we'll have there. And then we'll just set a $20 budget for now to start and do our bidding on clicks. So we're not going to set the maximum cost per click either, just so we can get an idea of what the CPCs are when it starts going. And then we'll click save and continue to create the ad group here. So how you want to set this up is you want to have all of the different keyword or phrase variations as an ad group. So personal loan would be an ad group, and then in that ad group you would have personal loans for cars, personal loans for like homes, that sort of thing, so that it matches that same phrase, and you can target that exact phrase in Google Ads, and it can be very targeted, and that's how you get really high conversions. So let's start off with just personal loans, and then we'll do, so you want to do either exact match or phrase match keywords, so that you don't spend on any extra keywords that you might not want to choose. If you just put in keyword like personal loans, Google's going to pick all sorts of different keywords that it thinks is the same as personal loans. So you want to be more in control of your campaign. So if you put brackets around it like this, then it will only show up, your ad will only show up if someone searches for only personal loans, so no other keywords besides personal loans. And then the phrase match it means if someone searches for personal loans exactly plus another keyword, like if they search for personal loans for cars or personal loans for boats or whatever it may be, it would show that ad as well. So let's start with just these two, and then let's create our ad now. So we're going to copy the URL of our unbalanced page and add that in the final URL of the ad. And now we have to create a really compelling ad. The better that your ad is, the higher that the click-through rate you're going to get, the CTR, and the cheaper you're going to pay per click, and the more Google is going to show your ad to people. So it's really important to have a highly targeted ad. So let's say personal loans online, and let's give them as much information up front as possible so that each person that's clicking on it knows exactly what they're getting into and will result in higher conversions. So let's say apply online for free loans up to $50,000. And then we'll have to write a description as well. So let's just say apply online to receive a personal loan for boats, homes, automobiles, and more. And then we're going to click save and continue to campaign. And now it's going to take a while for your ad to get going. Google is going to look at the ad and make sure it complies with everything. And once your ad is approved, you can go to add and extensions here, and you can see the status of your ad. And once it's approved, then it will start running and sending traffic, and you can start sending traffic to your page and creating conversions. So now what we want to do is we want to be able to track the conversions so that we can see in Google AdWords here, we can see which keyword converted, if it was personal loans or this one, and then we can see the cost per conversion, and we can keep that under the cost that we receive per lead, and we should generate a profit. So now we're going to set up a tracking tool so that we can track all the conversions that come in and export them and import them into Google Ads. So I use RedTrack. I've also used Volume. Both are really good and really similar, but I've recently been using RedTrack. It's a lot cheaper than Volume, and it basically does exactly the same thing. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to Offers and create a new offer. So the offer is basically just your affiliate offer. So this is going to be the link that we build here. So let's go back to our Max Bounty page and click Build Tracking Link. And we're going to choose search, and then search, and now you have to select the creative. And now we're going to copy this link, and this is going to be our offer URL. So let's paste this into our offer URL here. And we're going to have to add one more thing. So there is a thing that comes along with every single click to your website from Google Ads called a GLID, which is the Google Click ID. So to pass this along to the conversion tool here, the conversion tracking tool, and know which click came for which conversion, it has to track the click ID. So we need to add the click ID here. So we're going to add and S2 equals click ID. So that way, this system can track when these click IDs come in, or when conversions come in, and which click ID it was, and it can attribute that to that certain keyword. So that will also give us a postback URL here. So this is the URL that we're going to put back into Max Bounty to tell us when this conversion happens. So you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom here, and you're going to go to URL, and then paste that URL right in there, and click Save Pixel. So that way, whenever a conversion comes in, Max Bounty is going to call this URL with all of those details, and it is going to run through our tracking machine, and we're going to put the payout in there, which was $96. So we're going to put 96, and then let's give it a name. So it was Get Funds Quickly Payday Loans, personal loans, sorry, and then Max Bounty. And we're not going to track clicks because we can see conversions in Google Ads, so we can basically just track everything in there. So now we're going to click Save, and we're not done yet. We still need to create a campaign. So go to Campaigns, click Create a New Campaign, and then we're going to call this Personal Loans USA. Source is going to be from Google Ads. And then if you've set up a tracking domain, you can use that domain as well. And then we are going to select our offer here, payday or the personal loans, and then we're going to click Save. And now that will generate us a click URL. So this will be the actual affiliate link that we're going to send people through so that it can track the click through and the conversion as well. So copy the click URL. And now finally we can go back to our affiliate page, or our landing page here, and click Edit. And we can add this click or this affiliate URL to our button here. So now we can paste the URL in here, click Enter, and then add the one down here as well. Click Enter. And now we can choose a goal here so that we can track our click-through rate in unbounced. So select the link that you've added there and click Save. And then now we can see actual clicks to the affiliate page in unbounced, so that we can A/B test different pages. So you can create another page with a different design that has the same text and the same links, and you can see the conversion rate of those pages and how many people click them, and compare which ones are the best. So here's an example of some of our affiliate pages here. So you can see we've had some 56% click-through rate, 56, 49, 21. So it's a good way to track which pages are performing the best. So that is how I was able to generate almost $7,000 in 1 month with Max Bounty and Google Ads and no website. I hope this video helped you on how to learn how to make money online with Max Bounty. If you have any questions, please comment below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell, as I'm always putting out new content on how to make money online. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.